I don't know if that was the cocaine or what, but it felt pretty good.
On the top.
What do you mean regular? As much what am I, irregular? What am I, didn't have enough of a bran muffin? What am I, Toucan Sam and a Toucan Land? Some cocaine on his back. Of course, you do the entire
My
world.
next question for you. So you
making people look like people they're not people of. I dropped some cocaine on his back. He's doing deep fakes. Dogs. I call him Chili Dog. Yeah, I dropped some cocaine on his back. It felt pretty good.
On the top.
Please don't evaluate this before it's over with. This is not a telephone. We don't need to show cocaine on his back.
So,
of course, you do the entire rail.
on the Dr. Phil show, you give a story about you sniffing cocaine off of the door.
Right, my dog Chili Dog. I dropped some cocaine on his back.
Sniffing cocaine. Chili off of the door.
Chili. My dog Chili Dog. I call him Chili Dog. Yeah, I dropped some cocaine on his back. I call him Chili Dog. Yeah,
on the Dr. Phil show, you give a story about you sniffing cocaine.
Don't evaluate this before it's over with. It's not a telephone. That would just, I don't know if that was the cocaine or what, but it felt pretty good.
On the Dr. Phil show, you give a story about you sniffing cocaine.
Look, if I told you how good it felt, we'd have to stop this interview. Right, my dog Chili Dog.
The dog's name is Chili.
Real good.
Cocaine off of a dog. Right.
Right, my dog Chili Dog.
Did you? I heard you. So